Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to shed some pounds and start your day with a powerful protein-packed breakfast, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 7 delicious and easy vegetarian breakfast recipes that will keep you full, energized, and on track with your weight loss goals. Let's get started. First up, we have a classic tofu scramble. This is a fantastic plant-based alternative to scrambled eggs loaded with protein. We're talking tofu, turmeric, nutritional yeast, vegetables like onions, bell peppers and spinach, and a good kick of spices. Sauté the vegetables until they're softened, then add the crumbled tofu and spices. Cook until the tofu is golden brown and slightly crispy. The nutritional yeast gives it a cheesy flavor, and the turmeric gives it a beautiful yellow color and helps to prevent inflammation. Next, we have a Greek yogurt parfait that is quick and easy to make, but don't think for a minute that means it's boring. We're using thick, creamy Greek yogurt, fresh berries, crunchy nuts, and a sprinkle of seeds like chia or flax. This is all about layering. Start with a good dollop of Greek yogurt, then a handful of berries, followed by a sprinkle of nuts and seeds. Repeat the layers until your glass is full. This is a customizable breakfast that you can prepare in minutes. Now let's make some savory chickpea flour pancakes, also known as besancilla. These aren't your sugary, syrup-drenched American pancakes. These have got some backbone. We're using chickpea flour, water, chopped vegetables like onions, tomatoes and cilantro, and a good blend of spices. Mix the chickpea flour with water and spices to form a smooth batter. Add in the chopped vegetables and cook them like pancakes on a hot griddle. You'll know they're ready when they're golden brown and crispy at the edges. For a hearty and nutritious breakfast that will fuel your day, let's make a quinoa breakfast bowl. We're using cooked quinoa, black beans, creamy avocado, a good spoonful of salsa, and a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds for some crunch. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl and mix it all up. It's a balanced breakfast with protein, healthy fats, and fiber that will keep you going until lunchtime. Here's a great way to boost your protein intake. Lentil and vegetable omelette. We're using cooked lentils, vegetables like spinach and mushrooms, eggs or a vegan egg substitute, and a pinch of spices. Sauté the vegetables until they're just wilted, then add the cooked lentils. Pour the egg mixture over the top and let it cook until it's set and slightly browned on the bottom. Let's make a peanut butter banana smoothie for a quick and convenient option. We're using a ripe banana, creamy peanut butter, a handful of spinach, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder if you want an extra boost. Chuck all the ingredients into a blender and blitz it until it's smooth and creamy. Adjust the thickness by adding more almond milk if needed. Finally, we have overnight oats with protein powder, perfect for those of you who are always in a rush in the mornings. We're using rolled oats, almond milk, protein powder, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and some fresh berries for sweetness. Combine all the ingredients in a jar, give it a good stir, and leave it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, just grab your jar and you're good to go. Remember, weight loss is about creating a calorie deficit and focusing on nutrient-dense foods. These high-protein breakfasts will help you stay full and reduce those pesky cravings. Controlling your portion sizes is crucial. And don't forget about hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Exercise is key too. Combine these healthy breakfasts with regular exercise for optimal results. Now go forth and conquer breakfast. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more healthy eating tips and recipes.